fireworks, ribs. What more can you ask for? It's the 4th of July, so we gotta come with the whole, y'all.
That was a bit cringy.
We're gonna go ahead and, is it not 4th of July without the ribs? You can't have the cookout without the ribs on deck, the barbecue sauce, yo. Happy 4th of July, pre-4th of July. This is one of our favorite holidays. And we're gonna show you, some of the things that we're gonna be cooking. Now, the main show is gonna be happening tomorrow, but I'm just gonna show you a couple things we got from Costco's and Giant, okay? All right, so husband and I went to Costco's and we got 3 slabs of ribs. He's gonna go ahead and put these on the grill tomorrow. You cannot have a cookout without the mayonnaise, so we're gonna be making some chicken wraps. We don't need all of this mayonnaise, but while it's on sale, we're gonna go ahead and pick it up. They were $3.99 each, and we're gonna be making some chicken wraps. We made these for Porter's birthday one year, and they were so good. So we're gonna go ahead and roll those. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and roll these back. This is the orange chicken flavor.
If y'all want to see it, go watch that video.
Yeah, so we're not only gonna be cooking this for us, but we're gonna be taking this over to my husband's mom's house. We're gonna be having a big, huge family cookout. So we got 3 bags, and we're gonna put the green onions in some wraps also. So these we got from Giant. We got this big old bag of green onions from Costco's. I thought Costco's was going to be a huge mess going in there the day before the holiday, especially 4th of July, but it wasn't that bad. So we ended up getting 2 family size packs, or 2 big packs of the beef hot dogs, the beef frank hot dogs, and some more cream cheese. He was wondering if we was going to need all this cream cheese for the wraps, but no. But we love cream cheese in general, so we're only probably going to use one of those containers for the wraps. Everything else, we can have for whenever we need it. And then we bought these from Costco's, the tortillas. That's what the wraps are going to go in. And we needed something to eat for dinner. So, of course, husband picked up these Guinness, which is beer, but battered fish. So he's going to go ahead and eat these tonight. And then we have some cheese. This is going to go on the wraps. So 2 packs of triple cheddar cream cheese. Of course, we have some hot dog buns. We have 2 packs of those. And what else we have? Some romaine lettuce, y'all. This is going to go on the wraps. Not regular lettuce, y'all. We done already told you. For the wraps that we get romaine lettuce. It lasts longer and it's more crispier. All you gotta do is just take this little vein out, and they are going to be delicious. And then for tonight, for myself, I picked up this thin crust garlic cream sauce pizza. Oh yeah. Dumplings, pork dumplings. This was a random buy. Just picked these up to go with the pizza. But let me see what else. Make sure we're not missing anything. Oh yeah, so husband picked up these fancy cheeses. We love this cheese. It's called creamy. It's a Gouda cubes. Y'all, these are so good.
So good.
And then the outside is crusted in like sugar.
And
mold. Well, it's mold because cheese is essentially mold. The good mold, y'all, not like the moldy cheese
like
where it's
like mold.
Yes, not like that green mold, but
this is the type of cheese that's supposed to be mold.
Exactly, the good mold, but it's not like real sugary on the outside, but it's a little sweet. It's real good. Now, Daddy said because he's gonna be on the grill tomorrow, he gotta have his chef bite because he's gonna be cooking the food. So he picked him up a flank steak. So this is going to be his, little treat for himself while he's out there cooking on the grill. All right. So I told y'all that was real quick. That's some of the things that we have today on hand. Now tomorrow, we're going to come back and show you how we're going to put it all together. We're going to be seeing a lot more videos tomorrow of our 4th of July celebration and the whole spread, all in one. So y'all make sure y'all come back. Check out the video for tomorrow. We love doing these holiday cooking videos and holiday shopping videos for our family of 6 where we are cooking 1 meal at a time. Well, this is cooking for 1 holiday at a time. So y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and we'll see y'all back tomorrow for the fireworks. Okay?
Bye.
And this is also in the future, of us looking back on this video. It's the 250th birthday of America, so everything is just going to be over the top tomorrow. Husband went and bought some fireworks today with the kids. And we always try to go all out, go to the big warehouse to get the fireworks, not the fireworks stand like how we used to, back in the day. We're in Maryland, but on the border of DC. So we are very near
and
to get
extra.
Yes, we are very close to, and we can shoot fireworks in our area. So the big boys, that's what we went and got some of the big boy toys. So we're gonna have the good fireworks show for y'all tomorrow.
But we also got the little people's toys.
Yeah, we got a load of the people's toys too.
Like the sparklers and stuff.
Y'all go ahead and comment down below if you like 4th of July and if your favorite part is the fireworks or the food. Okay? But we'll see y'all back tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.